Okay, I'm often asked, how do I protect these sheets? They all look very complicated. What happens if a user messes them up? La 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 la. In actual fact, in my experience, it's very rare that anybody manages to mess them up. First thing you can do is save a backup in an adjacent folder or something so you can go back to it if someone does mess something up. Keep a backup. And of course, if you save the file, let's just save as. Let's save it to the back desktop. Browse. Because you never save anything to your backup, to your desktop. Very bad form. I don't know, let's just call it example. We can save that to my desktop. And of course I could close it. Then I could find that file in Explorer. I could right click on it, properties, read only, okay, ba-boom. And then once open, no one can change that format. They could mess it up once, but they can't mess it up for everyone. If you had multiple users or whatever, it's protected.